There are many good reasons to include them in your diet. Fats help with the absorption of vitamins A, D, E, and K. They also provide calories you can use for energy. What's more, they can provide essential fatty acids, such as polyunsaturated omega-3s, which support brain health, blood flow, and help to control inflammation. Not all fats are the same, so when it comes to seeking out sources of healthy fats for your diet, it is best to choose those that contain mostly unsaturated fats. Saturated fats are those that raise your LDL, bad cholesterol, putting you more at risk for heart disease. It is best to keep them limited to no more than 6% of your daily calories. Unsaturated fats, on the other hand, are healthy fats and may help to improve your cholesterol levels. These include monounsaturated fatty acids found in olive oil and avocado. Omega-3s, a type of polyunsaturated fatty acid, are found in walnuts, flax seeds, and fish. Fatty fish. Fish is one of those foods that support your brain, heart, and blood vessel health, according to Harvard Health Publishing. Fatty fish contain large amounts of unsaturated fats, in particular omega-3s. Omega-3 fatty acids may contribute to lower levels of a protein known as beta-amyloid, which can form damaging blood clots in the brain. Packed vitamins and minerals, including B12, vitamin D, and potassium. Fish is a good source of nutrients that may help to lower blood pressure. Olive oil. In elderly individuals with higher risk for heart disease, daily consumption of extra virgin olive oil was linked to a significant reduction in cardiovascular issues. Olive oil is a rich source of monounsaturated fatty acids. Oleic acid in particular has been shown to help with glucose regulation, according to a 2021 review in Nutrition Reviews. Additionally, extra virgin olive oil contains phenolinic compounds that individually have cholesterol and lipid-lowering properties. Avocado. The fatty acids in avocado make it especially good for your heart because those monounsaturated fats help control inflammation, lower triglycerides, and keep bringing the HDL, good cholesterol levels up, while lowering the LDL, bad cholesterol. Avocados contain plenty of other essential nutrients, including fat-soluble vitamins E and K, as well as the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for your eye health. Chia seeds. Whether you sprinkle them on your salads, blend them in your smoothie, or soak them into a pudding, those tiny chia seeds pack a nutritional punch. Chia seeds are packed with alpha-linoleic acids, omega-3 fatty acids, that are essential for health and immunity. And because they're about 15 to 25% protein and contain considerable amounts of all 9 essential amino acids, chia may be useful in preventing protein energy malnutrition. Walnuts. Walnuts are not only good for your heart, but also your brain. In fact, they reduce the risk for type 2 diabetes and heart disease, inflammatory conditions that are also risk factors for dementia, according to a 2020 article in Nutrients. Additionally, several studies have linked walnut consumption to improved cholesterol levels, reduction in arterial plaque formation, and lowered blood pressure, all cardioprotective factors.